This is not a dance, this is a language. So let me teach you how to speak it. I'm President KRUMP, and this is KRUMP Tips from yours truly, Eyes.
Let's get bugged. Let's go.
What's bug? President KRUMP, and we back on Eyes Tips. How does rank work? Rank this is what it's supposed to be. The big homie, I guess, the twin, and then the JR, and then the little, and then the baby, and the boys, and the kids, and the tinies. I guess it's supposed to be like that. Now, there's a lot of names, all right? I ain't make up every name, but I did extend my brackets because people have ideas, and things have to grow. Now, coming from the old school, not saying that I can't change, but coming from the old school, your highest ranked name in your fam was the baby bracket because of the gang culture. It wasn't little this and junior this. It was baby Loke this and baby this and this person, big G, baby G. All of these babies was the highest rank. I had to abide by that rule myself. I had a baby Tighteyex. There was a baby C or a baby Miho. Everybody who was somebody had to have a baby homie because that was the gang culture. Now, ripping out of the gang culture and just going full-fledged, let's make it a whole system. Let's extend it, and let's not be ignorant. Let's make it like a whole family tree. Like everybody got the same last name, and we all come together. So now I want to be little Tighteyex. Oh, that sounds cool. Like a little version of Tighteyex. Okay. I want to be junior Tighteyex, like Tighteyex Jr. Oh, shoot. That's dope. I want to be kid Tighteyex. Boy, and then just start going. And whoever, I'm K dash, I'm B dash, and I named B dash. Cause it got cool. It was like, oh man, we can make up all these. You got twin this, now we got 50 this. I'm like, man, this is bucking. So the ranking system, I really don't know what rank that everybody puts their fam at. Whoever gives the most in my fam has the top rank. That's it. And I'm not talking about giving just whoever gives the most, whoever puts the most in is at the top rank in my fam. That's how I organize my fam. I don't know how other people do it. It's not because you're junior, you're higher than this person. It's not because you're tighter than this person. No, I don't run rank by who's tighter than who because it changes so crazy. I've seen people that were thought to be just terrible have crazy breakthroughs, and they became some of the best in the game. So much so that they're now my enemies, which is a stupid thing, but this is how they got there. Rank. Now, when rank is misunderstood, people try to use this to belittle people and make people feel stupid or small because you feel like you got some type of position. So this is how people use rank in a negative way and a prideful way. This is why I don't believe in rank in that way. Nobody in my fam, I don't care who's tighter than who. Who gives the most? Who has the most humility? Who's a giver? Who's not a taker? This person will be honored. The takers, you want to take. You want to be mad, you want to take. I mean, you're going to have a low rank because you're just here for dance moves. Now, I have a big fam. I know everybody in my fam, majority of my fam. They're here because they love KRUMP. But some of my fam, they're here for different reasons. Some of my fam, they want to do their own thing. Some of my fam might not believe the same thing as me. Some of my fam might be mad at some stuff that I said or did. But they're still my fam because it's permanent. Once we made that fam agreement, it's permanent. So some people won't be considered to have a rank. Now, I have friendships with KRUMPers, but we're talking about KRUMP rank in fams. Who's higher than the other? I judge mine off of giving. Now, another big homie can judge off of who's putting in the most work in the battle sessions. I can do that too, but I don't judge mine like that. I used to judge my fam. Whoever had the baby name was the highest. Then the juniors and the twins and the littles and the kids came. It's like, okay, well, how can I do that now? Now they can go as high as they want to go. There's no rank for them. If the junior is getting off harder than the little, oh, cool. That's buck. And if the littles start losing to the baby, wow, that's buck. If the twins start getting off everybody and the 50 comes, like, oh man, this is bucking, man. I don't care. But if you win in battles and you got a prideful heart and you had a crappy character or nobody really rock with you like that, I mean, you really don't have no rank. It has something to do with inside and outside. So I don't rank my fams. I don't suggest anybody rank their fams because you have people just coming in to take rank. And sometimes that's what it is. Like, everybody isn't here to do some deep mission of KRUMP. Some people are just here to get off a little bit. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I support that. I like that. But if you want to have a rank in a fam, that's going to be judged by the big homie. I would say start from the top and go to the bottom and rank your fam that way. If I had to rank my fam, I know how I would do it. But I just don't rank my fam. Whoever gives the most or gives as much as me, helping me carry the burden, they're closest to me because they're helping me carry the burden. And those fams that don't want to help carry a burden, you're just carrying a name. And it's good. We all have different purposes. So rank is determined differently with different fams, different crews, and different big homies. Even in the whole scope of KRUMP and the countries, what country is better? I don't know, because we all KRUMP and we can all get off crazy when we're together. So it'll be something lovely to see, but that really won't determine the rank. The dancing is a good visual tool, but rank is determined on more than the dance. All right, y'all, President KRUMP, and I'm out. Let's make KRUMP praise again.
I'm President KRUMP, and this is KRUMP Tips from yours truly, Eyes.
Let's get bugged. Let's go.